Morning children, we'll be studying about preparation of haloalkanes. We can prepare haloalkanes from alcohols. ठीक है? From alcohols. Yesterday we began with this. So we can prepare them from alcohols. Now how can we prepare them from alcohols? Alcohols, and when they are treated with halogen acids, there are various reagents which when made to react with alcohols will give us haloalkanes. Now this is an example of what? This is an example of nucleophilic substitution. Now how do you justify that this is nucleophilic substitution? कैसे समझाएं हम कि ये न्यूक्लियोफिलिक सब्स्टिट्यूशन है? Substitution refers to where one group leaves and the other group takes its place. So here the leaving group is OH minus and the incoming group is the halide ion. This is the incoming group. ठीक है, ये incoming group है and this is the leaving group. What do I see? These, what is the nature of these? These are what? These are nucleophiles. So what will I say? कि these are what? This is an example of nucleophilic substitution reaction. This is an example of what? This is an example of nucleophilic substitution reaction. Okay. So nucleophilic substitution हमारा, हम we can say कि nucleophilic substitution ये होता है. ठीक है. Now, so अब if we compare the reactivity, you must understand that in this reaction the reactive intermediate is a carbocation. Now if the reactive intermediate is a carbocation, we know that tertiary carbocation is most stable. So if I take a tertiary alcohol, that will result in the formation of a tertiary carbocation. If I take a secondary alcohol, from a secondary alcohol I will get a secondary carbocation, and from a primary alcohol I will get a primary carbocation. ठीक है? So I will get these carbocations from these alcohols. So tertiary carbocation is the most stable, and then secondary, and then primary. So if tertiary carbocation is the most stable, so therefore its formation is also most likely. है ना? Its formation is most likely. So its formation is most likely means what? Out of the three alcohols, which is most likely to react fastest? Tertiary alcohol will react the fastest, right? Because when it reacts, it will result in the formation of a tertiary carbocation, which is comparatively the stablest of all. ठीक है? So इसीलिए the tertiary alcohols, if I compare the reactivity of alcohols, so reactivity of alcohols, based on this understanding, I will say that the tertiary alcohol is most reactive. Alcohols की reactivity, followed by secondary, and then you have primary alcohol. ठीक है? So ये हमारा हो जाता है order of reactivity of alcohols. Now keeping this in mind, we will first understand the formation of chloroalkanes. कि क्लोरोएल्केन्स कैसे बनाएंगे हम. ओके, तो क्लोरोएल्केन्स कैन बी प्रिपेयर्ड फ्रॉम alcohols. Now this is what? This is an example of a primary alcohol. इथेनॉल ले लिया हमने, ये प्राइमरी अल्कोहल है, राइट? So primary alcohol, when it is made to react, क्लोरोएल्केन बनाना है तो क्या लेना पड़ेगा? कौन सा हेलोजन एसिड लेना पड़ेगा? HX. But what do we see? Just now we followed that the primary alcohol जो है हमारा, this is the order of reactivity. This is the order of the reactivity of the various alcohols, right? So the primary alcohol is the most reactive. Primary alcohol is the most reactive, and therefore therefore what will happen, it will react slowly. Primary alcohol is the least reactive of all and therefore it will react slowly. Now if you see this, तो chloroalkane बनाने के लिए ये हटेगा, but what do we see, since its reactivity is less, so therefore what will happen, it reacts only in the presence of anhydrous ZnCl2, right? So anhydrous ZnCl2 की presence में ही ये react करेगा, right? And then it will form what, CH3 CH2Cl plus H2O. Now this mixture of ZnCl2 and HCl is known as, this mixture of ZnCl2 and HCl is known as what, Lucas reagent. इसको हम क्या बोलते हैं, ल्यूकास रिएजेंट. इसके बारे में आई विल एक्सप्लेन यू लेटर ऑन. ठीक है. सो प्राइमरी जो हमारे अल्कोहल्स होते हैं, दे रिक्वायर व्हाट, दे रिक्वायर एनहाइड्रस ZnCl2. नाउ व्हाट इज द रोल ऑफ ZnCl2? ये जो COH बॉन्ड होता है ना, ये जो COH बॉन्ड ऑफ अ प्राइमरी अल्कोहल, ये पे बॉन्ड तो टूटना चाहिए. बॉन्ड टूटेगा तभी तो OH माइनस विल डिपार्ट एंड Cl माइनस विल टेक इट्स प्लेस, है ना. तो बॉन्ड टूटने के लिए, बिकॉज द प्राइमरी अल्कोहल्स आर लेस रिएक्टिव टूवर्ड्स दिस रिएक्शन, so what does this ZnCl2 do? This ZnCl2, the nature of ZnCl2, it's a Lewis acid. So what happens, this ZnCl2 coordinates with the O of the OH bond, and when it coordinates तो क्या हो जाएगा, using the lone pair of electrons, तो ऑक्सीजन के ऊपर प्लस चार्ज आ जाएगा. अब ऑक्सीजन के ऊपर जब प्लस चार्ज आ जाएगा, तो what it will do, it will start pulling this electron pair strongly towards it, thereby leading to the cleavage of the bond. समझ आ रहा है. तो ये बॉन्ड क्यों टूटेगा, क्योंकि ZnCl2 ने इस बॉन्ड में, मतलब when this ZnCl2 when it forms a coordinate bond with being a Lewis acid, using the lone pair of electrons it forms a coordinate bond. तो this is how the bond will break, बिकॉज अब ऑक्सीजन के ऊपर प्लस चार्ज आ गया. तो ZnCl2 का रोल अगर आपको पूछता है, तो व्हाट इज द रोल ऑफ, द पर्पस ऑफ एनहाइड्रस ZnCl2 इज टू हेल्प इन व्हाट, इज टू हेल्प इन द क्लीवेज. कीप नोटिंग ऑल द पॉइंट्स. ओके. क्लीवेज ऑफ CO बॉन्ड, CO बॉन्ड की क्लीवेज, मतलब it helps in the cleavage of the CO bond. And how does it facilitates that? Because it coordinates with the oxygen atom of alcohol. The CO bond weakens and ultimately breaks to form what, carbocation. Understood? लेकिन tertiary alcohols के लिए क्या हो जाता है, tertiary alcohols because they are quite reactive, right? So quite reactive मतलब अपने आप हो जाएगा, तो उसको ZnCl2 की जरूरत नहीं है. So they readily react with conc HCl even in the absence of ZnCl2. So ZnCl2 is not required for tertiary alcohol in the formation of chloroalkanes. समझ आ गया? So this is how chloroalkanes can be prepared. Try to understand these you can say topics carefully, because see यही जो है ना, ये हमारा पूरा alcohol chapter में it will become the property of alcohol. So you have to follow this carefully. So ये आपका एक और you can say reasoning based question हो गया कि what is the role of anhydrous ZnCl2 in the formation of chloroalkanes from alcohols, right? Now second हो जाएगा, अब हम बनाएंगे bromoalkanes. Bromoalkanes, of course bromoalkanes बनाने के लिए अब हमारे दिमाग में आएगा भाई use HBr, right? लेकिन HBr is normally prepared in C2. HBr हम react directly भी कर सकते हैं with HBr in the presence of some conc H2SO4 as catalyst, but what is normally it is not मतलब of course ये मैं okay will write this reaction ये CH3CH2OH plus HBr conc H2SO4 a little of conc H2SO4 behaves as a catalyst, so of course ये हमें क्या देगा CH2Br plus H2O. ये तो हमें समझ आ रहा है ये रिएक्शन ऐसे हो जाएगा, ठीक है. बट नॉर्मली क्वेश्चन में ये ऐसे ना दे के यू शुड नो दैट HBr इज प्रिपेयर्ड इन C2. याद है इन C2 मतलब क्या होता है, राइट? इन C2 मतलब क्या होता है, इट इज प्रिपेयर्ड विद इन द रिएक्शन मिक्सचर इटसेल्फ. विद इन द रिएक्शन मिक्सचर डायरेक्टली ना डाल के हम ऐसे कंपोनेंट्स डालेंगे the reaction of which will give HBr. Now what the reaction of what will give HBr? The reaction of KBr with H2SO4 gives HBr in C2, right? So it will form what, KHSO4, and this is how I will get what, HBr in C2. Now BHBr के साथ तो already we have written the reaction, but why I have told you that this, because normally over the arrow if they give you KBr plus H2SO4, so you should not get confused कि भाई ये क्या हो गया. Mixture of KBr and H2SO4 is going to give us nothing but HBr only, ठीक है. Now iodoalkanes, move to iodoalkanes. अब iodoalkanes again कैसे बनाते हैं, by again reflexing a small suitable alcohol with HI, इधर HI के साथ में. so जैसे अभी ये ले लिया CH3CH2OH plus HI, right? so you just reflex it with, बताएं आप मुझे reflex का मीनिंग क्या होता है quickly. so CH3CH2 I plus H2O, right? so अब क्या हो जाएगा, ये क्या हो गया, बट यहाँ पे HI डायरेक्टली ना करके अगेन इट इज ऑल्सो प्रिपेयर्ड इन C2 KI plus H3PO4, right? it is prepared by the action of what, phosphoric acid. Do write the name, phosphoric acid on Ki. Now phosphoric acid on Ki will give me what? It will give us HI तो बनाना ही है, plus what, plus KH2PO4 plus H2O, right? now अब ओवर द एरो अगर ये दिया रहेगा तो कंफ्यूजन नहीं होना चाहिए. इट इज नथिंग बट हमने क्या बनाया है, HI ही बनाया है, एंड द प्रोडक्ट विल बी व्हाट, द प्रोडक्ट विल बी एन आइडोएल्केन. क्लियर और नॉट? सो द प्रोडक्ट विल बी व्हाट, एन आइडोएल्केन, ठीक है. नाउ द क्वेश्चन इज कि ये फॉस्फोरिक एसिड क्यों ले लिया हमने. Why is that कि जैसे अभी हमने यहाँ पे H2SO4 लिया, एक्चुअली अगर हम यहाँ पे भी H2SO4 लेंगे तो I will get HI. A similar kind of reaction is possible, but still I am avoiding H2SO4 to prepare HI in C2. Rather I am using phosphoric acid. There is a reason for it, and here you get another reasoning based question which is in fact given in your NCERT. So I just want you all to quickly go through that question or that section and see what answer you can trace out for this particular query. What is the query? The query is ki why is that in the preparation of HI, in C2 we are using Ki and phosphoric acid and not sulfuric acid. That is the question. Okay.